Ladies and gentlemen, Spirit Airlines would like to welcome you to Atlantic City where the local time is 9:27 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening overhead bins. You may use your cell phones and other wireless email devices now if they're within reach. For those of you with checked luggage, you may claim it at Spirit's baggage claim area in the lower level. For any of our customers needing special assistance today, such as a wheelchair, please remain seated until the majority of the passengers have the plane. This will allow us to better assist you. All of us here at Spirit Airlines, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We invite you to visit our website at spirit.com where you can check in online, enter your comments, and get great low fares on flights, car rentals, hotels, vacation packages, and even cruises. From the entire Spirit family, we do wish you a pleasant stay in the Atlantic City area or wherever your final destination may be. Thank you. It's been a pleasure serving you.
Josh get to be nice and close to each other. All right, this is what we're doing with your disgusting problem here. Let me see. You're gonna put this around your waist so that. Yeah. Listen to me. As soon as the seatbelt sign goes off, stand up and I'll put this around your waist.
Never be see your little accent.
Oh, here.